Hello students! UPSC Guide is starting foundation course for UPSC 2022 preparation. In this course, prelims and main complete syllabus will be covered with live and interactive lectures by experienced faculty. Here are key highlights of UPSC Guide foundation course. Course duration will be for 10 to 12 months. Complete prelims and main syllabus will be covered. Live and interactive lectures by experienced faculty. Doubt clearing sessions and periodic mentorship sessions by UPSC toppers through webinars. Separate current affairs and answers writing classes will be conducted. All India test series will be included. We have kept very minimal fees so that all the students can afford this course during this pandemic. Live classes starts from 7th June 2021. For admissions, visit www.upscguide.in or call on 89837 66676. For more details, please check the description below.